Hi guys, kumusta mga katol, mga kapre? What's up guys? Once again, this is Alfred of Sir Alfred TV. On today's video, tayong pag-uusapan sa araw na ito na kapaki-pakinabang talaga. Very helpful sa nagnanais pa rin na pumunta sa Canada. Nandito na sa Canada. Bakit ko sinabing helpful? Bakit kapaki-pakinabang? Kasi sa Canada, mahalaga yung may sasakyan ka. Especially kung yung trabaho mo is hindi naman ganun ka-accessible ng public transport. It's a must talaga na magkaroon ka ng sasakyan. Maghahatid ka ng bata sa school, you're going to grocery, maglilibot kayo ng pamilya. So, yun yung advantage ng may sasakyan. I have decided to get a license and soon makakumuha na rin tayo ng sasakyan para sa trabaho at para sa pamilya na rin kasi lumalaki din mga bata. I have 2 kids, you know. Today's video, I'm going to share with you yung mga tips paano nga ba makapasa sa G2 road test dito sa Ontario, Canada ng mabilisan at epektibo or effective. So tapusin mo lang tong video to. Makakatulong ito kung gusto mo talaga na makapasa sa road test or G2 exam. Let's go. How to pass the G2 road test here in Ontario, Canada. Mahalaga to sa mga beginner driver like me dito sa Ontario, Canada. Ano ba talaga yung mga tips or tricks para yung percentage mo on passing the road test is mataas. So, makinig kayo and get some tips para makapasa o para makatulong na makapasa sa inyong road test or G2. Please subscribe to my channel, Sir Alfred TV, and paki-like na rin yung video and comment down below kung nagustuhan niyo yung video. And then kung nakatulong naman sa inyo, you can share the video to your friends. And please paki-hit din yung notification bell para updated ka sa mga upcoming videos that I am going to upload. Mga buhay sa Canada, life in Canada, everything under the sun basta related dito sa Canada. Kasi kakukuha ko lang ng exam 2 days ago. So luckily I passed the road test. Stick around and then this will be very helpful to you, especially the beginner driver na mga kararating lang sa Canada. This video will help. Dito sa Ontario, Canada, there are 3 levels of driver's license. May 3 level yan na dapat mong pagdaanan. Each level has a set of tests and goal. So ano ba yung pagkakaiba ng G1, G2 at G? So pag sinabi natin G1, it is a written examination na kinukuha sa mga testing center. So ang content ng G1 examination is all about rules of road, and then the second part naman is road sign. So kailangan ma-master mo yun. So how many items ba yun? There are 40 items. So each section contains 20 items. At sa bawat section yun, dapat makapasa ka ng 14 out of 20. So dalawa yun, dapat maka 28 ka in order to pass. Yung passing grade is 80%. So ulitin ko, yung G1 is written examination. Right? Yan, dapat ma-master mo yan para ready ka na pagkuha mo ng next level. So, para mag-prepare ka muna sa G1, meron naman tayo practice test online. So, para maging familiar ka sa mga traffic sign, rules of road, and so on. Then, pag confident ka na, you can go to testing center. No need for appointment naman. Ang kailangan mo lang magaya ka ng ID mo. And of course, bayad yun. It's 158.25 Canadian dollars. So yun lang yun. So ipasa mo lang siya. And then makakuha ka ng 14 correct answer out of 20. So each section, graduate ka na sa first level, which is G1. Ulitin ko, 14 out of 20. Kailangan magkamali ka lang ng 6. That's it. Each section. So yan, ulitin ko yung different levels, G1, G2, and G. Ngayon, nakapasa ka na sa G1. Yan. You pass the written examination. traffic sign, road rules, and so on. What's next? Isa-isa lang. After you pass the G1 exam, they will give you a temporary license. Ayan. Para proceed ka to the next level, which is the G2 or yung road test. Ayan. Pero kung driving school ka naman, instead of 12 months or 1 year, pwede ka nang mag-road test after 8 months. Diba? That's the advantage of enrolling in a driving school. Kung di ka nag-driving school, you have to wait for 12 months. But if you enrolled in a driving school, they will give you kahit naka 8 months ka lang. They will give you 12 months of waiting time para makapag road test ka at makakuha ka ng G2 license. So yung G2 license yun, they will evaluate, they will test your basic driving skill. I'm going to give you tips and tricks how to pass the G2 license or G2 road test. Lahat ng natutunan ko during my road test exam, I'm going to share with you para makatulong sa mga kababayan natin na kukuha pa lang ng road test dito sa Ontario, Canada. And I hope this video will help you. Experience nung kumuha ko ng G2 exam or yung road test dito sa Ontario, Canada. For your information, may mga different center yan. So ang napili ko is in Peterborough. What to expect during road test? So, dapat gawin nyo, get the car information, in driver's license, color of the car, brand of the car, and then yung location ng sasakyan nyo sa testing center. Saan ba yan? Sa harap or sa likod? Punta ka sa testing center, dala-dala mo yung driver's license mo, yung G1, and then punta ka sa kiosk, register lahat ng information, driver's license mo, kulay ng sasakyan na gamit mo, yung brand ng sasakyan na gamit mo, location of the car that you're using for the test, and so on. So, register mo lang doon. And then after you registered, may lalabas dyan na maliit na receipt and bring it with you together with your G1. Get the receipt, nakalagay doon yung time of your road test. Punta ka ulit sa sasakyan mo and then relax. And then once again, pagka nag-exam ka, mayroong exact time doon. Kunyari, examination time is 11:47. Dapat before that time, nandun ka na sa sasakyan mo para hindi ka magpanik, alam mo yun. And then after you register everything, while waiting for your time, nandun ka sa sasakyan mo, pupunta na yung evaluator, yung driver instructor mo na mag-i-evaluate ng driving skills mo. So ano yung expect mo sa kanya? Una, kakatok siya sa bintana mo, and then the instructor will ask you to open the window, and then the instructor will ask you to turn on the engine. The instructor will do the safety measure. Check. He will ask you to step on the brake, test the lights, yung left, right, sa harap, sa likod, and then yung busina. Everything is okay. The instructor is done with the safety measure. The instructor will get inside the car, and then the instructor or evaluator will introduce himself or herself sa'yo. Yan, pakilala siya, and then he will explain all the rules and regulations while you're doing the evaluation. Dalawang bagay lang naman yan. Either you pass or either you failed. Pag nakapasa ka, meaning to say you are ready to drive. Pag hindi ka pa nakapasa, meaning to say hindi ka pa ready to drive. So don't be upset. Ibig sabihin, hinahanda ka lang talaga para maging safety driver. Yan. Dito sa Ontario, Canada. Kung bumagsak ka, meaning to say you are not yet ready. Kung pumasa ka, you are a good driver already. Ready ka na. Karapat dapat ka na nabigyan ng lisensya para makapag-drive ka dito sa Ontario, Canada. Pero kung hindi ka pumasa, meaning to say, hindi ka pa worth na bigyan ng lisensya para makapag-drive dito sa Ontario, Canada. Meaning to say, you need more confidence, you need more practice para maging isa kang mabuti at mahusay na driver dito sa Ontario, Canada. Because driving is not a joke, you know. So here are the tips for a better percentage of passing the G2 road test. First, ask yourself, tanongin mo yung sarili mo with these following questions. Do I know the road rules? Alam ko na ba yung mga rules sa kalsada? Am I confident enough to drive? Sabihin, confidence level ko ba sa pagdadrive is okay na, hindi ba ako kabado sa kalsada? If you're confident enough on your driving skills, then check. Number 3, did I practice enough? Or do I need to practice more? Kasi siyempre, sabi ng iba, practice makes perfect. Hindi naman mape-perfect yan. Practice makes you better. Yun ang sabihin natin. Kaya, practice with the same car. Dapat yung same car na yung ginagamit mo habang nagpa-practice ka, and then during the evaluation process. Huwag pa iba-iba kasi malilito ka. Kung ano yung ginamit mo during the practice, that is the same car that you're going to use during your evaluation process para hindi ka ma-confuse. How many total hours did I practice during my G1 license? Ilang oras na ba ako nagpa-practice mag-drive? Diba? Baka bago ka pa lang, nakadalawang practice ka pa lang, nakadalawang hawak ka pa ng manibela, and then susubo ka na sa G2, most probably you're gonna fail kasi hindi ka pa confident sa pagdadrive mo. Yung driving skills mo is not yet enough because hindi ka, kulang yung hours mo sa practice. Kahit nga driver ka na sa Pilipinas, pag hindi mo alam yung rules dito, most probably baka bumagsak ka rin. Diba? Hindi naman ibig sabihin pag driver ka sa atin, alam mo na yung rules ito. There are certain rules in different places. So dapat maging familiar ka. Practice, and practice. Para yung confidence level mo or yung driving skills mo is mahasa na mahasa to be a better and a safe driver. And I'll guarantee you will pass. Improve some skills. Do I need to improve some skills when it comes to drive? In a certain area like yung turning, parking, changing a plane, and so on. Answers are all yes on these 5 questions na binigay ko sa inyo. From 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all the answers were check or yes, meaning to say, you are ready to get the road test. Most probably, the percentage of passing is high because you are equipped with the skills and confidence to be a good, safe, and better driver here in Ontario, Canada. Ulitin ko, kahit driver ka sa ibang bansa, pag nag-test ka dito, dapat you know the rules, you know the traffic signs, road signs, and so on. So one more tip to convince your instructor or evaluator na ipasa ka during the exam, dapat every actions na gagawin mo, do it smoothly. Ano ba yung ibig sabihin niya sabi ko? Pag nag-turn ka, yan, smooth. Hindi parang malalaglag ka sa kalsada, bagsak ka na nun. When you brake as well, dapat smooth. Hindi yung susub-sub na yung driver, bagsak ka na. And when you change lane, dapat everything is smooth. Diba? Pag nasunod mo na lahat yan, and then you always listen to the instructor, do everything smoothly, hindi ka ninenervyos, hindi ka kinakabahan, and the instructor notice that you have the self-confidence and then the skills, then you will pass. So yun na naman, pag nakita ng instructor mo na when you do those actions na smooth, yung pag-turn mo, pag-preno, pag-change ng lane, so isipin niya na you are a safety driver, you're a good driver, so worth it ka na bigyan ng lisensya to drive here in Ontario, Canada. Pag nasunod mo na lahat yung mga sinabi ko yun, I think the chance of or percentage of passing the road test is really high. Ilang po, and then I hope this video will help you na makapasa pagka ikaw ay kukuha na rin ng G2 license or yung tinatawag ng road test.